Hi everyone, Gaurav this side back again on this channel after a long time. The time was totally dedicated to AI agents since last 1 month was very hectic. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a complete roadmap to build AI agents. There's a lot buzz around AI agents right now in the entire world because the economy is going to be bursting in AI agents. Every business from small to big companies are implementing AI agents in their organization. And the thing is that we are getting the biggest opportunity right now. So the economy for 2025 is going to be around $5 to $6 billion, and this economy is projected to be around $50 billion in next 3 to 5 years. So in this video, I'm not going to be discuss about the basic things about AI agents. I'm expecting that you have learned about the basic of AI agents. So in this video, I'm just going around what language, tools, frameworks that you can use and you can start your career in building AI agents. So let's start this video, and I'm excited to discuss about all the things around there. So whenever we build any AI agent, there is a lot confusion about AI automations, agents and AI chatbots. So in this video, I will clarify each and every aspect of it before moving ahead. So in the AI automation part, there is a fixed workflow that is always followed using AI. So in that, there is no autonomous systems or a kind of decision-making body which takes decisions and do things. And that is certainly can be done only in AI agents. So in AI automation, there is always a fixed workflow that we use. In that, we use different platforms like Make.com or Zapier, where we build the AI automation, and that work like a very passive workflow rather than an active workflow. So this is called the AI automations. Now, the major thing that makes AI agent different from AI automation is that they have autonomous systems that where in AI use different tools to make decisions and do operations. That is called the AI agent. While build any AI agent, we use different tools, frameworks, language, environment, or multiple things are there. So building an AI agent on low-code tools where we use Relevance AI, Crew.ai or LangChain, that is a kind of framework to build AI agents. Now let's understand how these AI chatbots are different from AI agents. So in AI chatbot, there is an LLM that do some query from the databases, and that has a very fixed workflow. And then the user puts the query directly to the LLM and gets his desired information. So mostly the people gets confused about the AI chatbots and with AI agents and AI automations. So this is how this entire workflow work. Now let's discuss about the key components that are required to build any AI agents. Now, when we build any AI agent, there are two methods that are always followed. The one method is where we build the complete agent entirely in coding environment. And the second part is where we build the agent completely in using low-code tools, no-code tools, or like different frameworks. So in this video, we will understand what language, framework, tools are required to build any AI agent. Now the question comes in that what to learn to build AI agent. So when we build any AI agent, there are two methods that are generally followed. This is where we build the custom AI agents totally in the coding environment using different frameworks. And on the second part, we use certain low code, no code tools to build the AI agent faster. The difference is that while using low code tools, we can build the agent faster speed at lower cost. And in no-code environment, the agent has a very limitations to build a custom AI agent. But while building the AI agent in the coding environment, we can customize 100% capabilities of AI agents. So now we need to understand what language, framework, tools, or other things are required to start our journey to build AI agents. So the question comes is what to learn. Now the first thing is that is the most important comes in language. The most important language that is required to learn AI is Python. Python has different libraries, frameworks that are used to build AI agents. Now the second comes in the frameworks. There are different kind of frameworks that are required to build certain type of AI agents. Out of that, the first and the most important comes in the LangChain models. LangChain, Langform, and AutoGen by Microsoft, and Crew.ai. These are some of the frameworks that are required to learn how to build AI agents. So if you are starting your career from very scratch, well, with the Python, you can start working on these different frameworks. Now there comes after the multiple low-code tools. So if you have a technical background, you can start from Python to LangChain, Langform, AutoGen, and Crew.ai. These are the frameworks and languages that are most important to learn building AI agents. Secondly, if you don't have the technical background or the experience in building AI agents, or don't have the coding experience, you don't have to as well. So you can start directly from building AI agents using low-code tools. So in no-code or low-code tools, there are multiple tools that comes under different type of AI agent. Let's say that we want to build a chatbot type of AI agent that you can deploy on website, social media. So you need tools like VoiceFlow or BotPress that you can learn. The learning curve for these type of tools are around 2 to 3 months. You can learn using VoiceFlow and BotPress. You can build certain type of AI agent that can be useful for different website, social media, or you can automate CRM with website. Now comes to the agent that are voice-based agent. So to build voice-based agent, you need certain platforms like Retell AI, Blend AI. So you can start your journey directly from the Retell AI or Blend AI. These are the voice-based agents. So using these platforms, you can build voice-based agents. This platform does not provide the backend support, so you have to build the entire backend for the agents. These platforms are pretty handy to build voice agents in terms of providing environment. So you can use their front-end part and you can build your backend side and start building AI agents on that. Now comes in the research-based agent that we call as autonomous systems that are useful enough that they can take decisions on your behalf, and that is the highest in the demand right now. So these kind of agents can be built by platform like N8N, Relevance AI, Crew.ai, and watsonx by IBM. So these are the platforms that you can learn and you can start building AI agents that are autonomous in systems, where these agents can use different tools and do operation on the behalf of the user. So this is how you can start using these different tools and you can start learning building AI agents. Now the most important thing here is that you should define the purpose that you want to build certain type of AI agent. Let's say that if you want to build certain type of chatbot where you can connect the agent with any databases and it can fetch you the query or can do certain type of operation like sending emails, then the BotPress and VoiceFlow are the perfect platforms. For the conversational agent, they are the best one. And if you want to build a voice agent where you can do certain type of cold calling, certain type of customer support, technical support, or any appointment scheduling type of AI agent, then the Retell AI, Blend AI, and the voice-based agents are the perfect one. So where the research is involved and the autonomous tools are used, you can use the N8N, Relevance, Crew.ai, and watsonx by IBM. Now comes in the major part, that is what type of LLM that you need to build AI agents. Okay, so now come to the fourth point, that is the most important thing while building an AI agent. And the fourth one is the miscellaneous part. So in the miscellaneous part, there are few things that you need to learn while start your journey for building AI agents. The first one is APIs. You cannot build any AI agent until you don't know how this API work, how you can connect API, because when you connect any agent with any tool, you need to learn how you can connect the tool with the agent using API. So the API is the most important part while building AI agents. And there comes the webhook. So webhook is something that helps your agent to get data from databases, from your CRMs, or then it can update the data by using webhooks. Now, these are the two most important things if you are building AI agent at basic level. But if you are building AI agent from intermediate to advanced level, you need certain two more things, and that one is RAG system. If the AI agent is something that is working on large databases, then you should know how this retrieval augmented generation system work. And the fourth comes in that is vector databases. This is a very key component when you are building AI agent at a very large level where a lot of data is involved. So you should know how this vector database can be connected to AI agent. Now comes the major part, and that is prompting. If you have learned everything around tools, building AI agents, but you haven't mastered the prompting, the AI agent is going to hallucinate and you won't get enough result. The prompt engineering is the crucial part while building AI agent, and this prompting is not similar to the prompting that you do while talking to ChatGPT. Here the prompting is very precise, concise, and to the point. So while building prompting for AI agents, you should define prompts in a very clear manner. For every instruction, you have to define the AI prompts to AI agent so that it can understand the concept and then it can do the operations. Now, if you want to learn the basic of the prompting, I have uploaded my first video in the prompting. You can see over the I section. And on the next video, I'll try to make another video on prompting where I'll be defining how you can write prompt for building AI agents. So this one is the prompt engineering. Now, to learn the prompt engineering, you can start from building prompts using ChatGPT. You can understand how these instructions are defined, what are the patterns that are defined while building prompts. Okay, so these are the 5 main key components that you need to learn while starting your journey for building AI agents. In these 5 points, next videos I will try to break down components in terms of tools. I'll make some tutorials over n8n Relevance AI to get more details around that. And also, while building any AI agents, understand one more important thing is that any AI model that you use, whether it is GPT-4o mini or GPT-4o, they have tendency to hallucinate. So to remove that hallucination, there is a first thing that comes into play, and that is fine tuning. So learn fine tuning, how you can fine tune a model to build the agent that does not hallucinate, because if the AI hallucinate in your product, the product is going to be a disaster. So learn the minute details about how you can fine tune an AI agent. In the next video, I will come up with the tutorials on Relevance AI and n8n, and I will come up with the next video most probably on prompt engineering, where I will teach about how you can craft prompts for your AI agent.